welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 21 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is comprehension, that means passages, right? So let us see कि comprehension क्या है. सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि क्या है और हमें comprehensions में क्या करना होता है, right? What are we supposed to do with these comprehensions passages? So, comprehension is the ability to understand a given passage or poem and then to answer certain questions which follow it. तो comprehension एक एबिलिटी है जिसमें हम समझते हैं कि जो गिवन पैसेज या फिर पोएम है, राइट, उसे हमें समझना होता है रीड करके, और उसके बाद कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए होते हैं जो उन्हीं पैसेजेस या पोएम्स में से होते हैं जिन्हें हमने रीड किया है, एंड देन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ आवर रीडिंग हमें उन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करना होता है. एवरी डे we come across a wide variety of text from different sources: comics, storybooks, newspapers, magazines, television and internet, right? तो हर दिन हम बहुत सी वाइड वैरायटी टेक्स्ट को रीड करते हैं अलग अलग सोर्सेज से, जैसे कि कॉमिक्स, स्टोरी बुक्स, न्यूज़पेपर्स, मैगजीन्स, टेलीविज़न और इंटरनेट. These texts exert a subtle yet powerful influence on our pupils. कि ये जो टेक्स्ट है ये एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा पावरफुल इन्फ्लुएंस हमारे माइंड पे करता है, राइट? We must explore different ways to understand what the purposes of these texts are. तो हमें छानबीन करनी चाहिए अलग अलग जगहों से और देखना चाहिए कि ये जो टेक्स्ट हमें दिए गए हैं इन सभी चीज़ों से पर्पस क्या है, राइट? कि क्या करवाना चाहते हैं, व्हाट दे कन्वे एंड व्हाट कैन बी मेड ऑफ देम, कि वो कौन सा ऐसा मैसेज है जो उन टेक्स्ट के थ्रू हमें पहुंचाया जा रहा है, राइट? हियर comes the role of comprehension. और यहीं पर जो comprehension का रोल है वो शुरू होता है, right? Comprehension is the process of making meaning from text. कि comprehension एक ऐसा process है जिसमें हम meaning बनाते हैं text के through, right? It may seem difficult in the starting, कि ये शुरुआत में थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लग सकता है. But once the text is well understood, पर एक बार जब हमें टेक्स्ट पूरे तरीके से समझ आ जाता है, it is an enjoyable exercise. तब वो एक्सरसाइज हमें बहुत ज़्यादा enjoyable, fun fact लगने लगती है, right? To truly comprehend a text, readers must be able to construct, interpret and apply meaning as they read. कि अगर टेक्स्ट को अच्छे से पढ़ा जा रहा है तो जो रीडर्स हैं वो अपने आप सेंटेंसेस को कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं, चीज़ों को इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं और उनके मीनिंग्स भी निकाल सकते हैं अगर वो उसे ढंग से पढ़े तो. While attempting questions on comprehension passages, keep in mind the following important guidelines. So, जब भी हमें क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करेंगे कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पढ़ने के बाद तो हमें कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो ध्यान में रखने हैं. Let's have a look on those points, right? So it says, go through the passage quickly to have a general idea in your mind. कि आपको पैसेज को पहले एक बार जल्दी से पढ़ना है ताकि आप एक क्विक आइडिया अपने माइंड में रख सको उस पैसेज को पढ़ने के बाद. दैट इज टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इट इज अबाउट, ताकि हम ये समझ सके कि जो पैसेज है वो किस बारे में है, राइट? नेक्स्ट, रीड द क्वेश्चंस एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज आस्क्ड. जल्दी से क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ना है और उसके बाद ये समझना है कि क्वेश्चंस में हमसे पूछा क्या गया है, राइट? रीड द पैसेज अगेन, उसके बाद हमें पैसेज को दोबारा पढ़ना है. This time slowly but carefully, and mark the portions of the passage which contain the answers to the questions asked. दोबारा से पैसेज जब पढ़ेंगे तो थोड़ा धीरे, थोड़ा समझते हुए पढ़ेंगे. और क्योंकि हमने क्वेश्चंस पढ़ लिए थे तो हमें पता है कि क्वेश्चंस में क्या कब कहाँ पूछा गया है. तो जो भी क्वेश्चंस आपने पढ़े हैं और अगर उनके आंसर्स आपको वहाँ पे दिखते हैं तो आप उस कंटेंट को मार्क कर सकते हो, उस पोर्शन को मार्क कर सकते हो, सो दैट आपको इजीली आंसर्स बाद में मिल जाए. राइट डाउन आंसर्स इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. डू नॉट कॉपी द वर्ड्स गिवन इन द पैसेज. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज, आपको आंसर्स अपनी लैंग्वेज में फ्रेम करने हैं. डू नॉट कॉपी इट फ्रॉम द पैसेज. Right? Use our own creativity to prepare the answers. Give answers briefly using simple and correct sentences. Answers को छोटे तरीके से simple और correct sentences में frame करना है. Do not frame too lengthy sentences that can make to the grammatical errors. Right? So try to keep your sentences short and with no grammatical error. Sentences, meanings of some words or phrases are asked. तो कभी कभी हमसे कुछ वर्ड्स या कुछ phrases के meanings भी पूछ लिए जाते हैं. You should express the meaning or the idea a word or a phrase conveys in a clear way. तो जो भी वो वर्ड है, जो भी फ्रेज है, उसका मीनिंग अगर आपसे पूछा गया है तो आपको बहुत ही स्पष्ट तरीके से उस मीनिंग को बताना है. राइट? सो दैट द पर्सन हु इज रीडिंग माइट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन. राइट? योर वर्ड शुड बी वेरी सिंपल. बहुत ज़्यादा हाई फाई लैंग्वेज नहीं यूज करनी है. नेक्स्ट, देयर मे बी ग्रामर एक्सरसाइज. ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइज हो सकती है. These exercises are introduced to find out the grammatical skill of the students. कि ये एक्सरसाइज इंट्रोड्यूस की जाती हैं ताकि जो ग्रामेटिकल स्किल्स हैं बच्चों की वो भी साथ के साथ टेस्ट आउट होती रहे. राइट? These exercises may or may not relate to the passage. कि ये एक्सरसाइज शायद या शायद नहीं भी पैसेज के साथ रिलेट कर सकती है. राइट? Thus, comprehension strengthens reading, understanding, writings and respondings. Right? तो comprehension हमारी इतनी सारी चीज़ों को और भी ज़्यादा मजबूत कर सकता है. What are they? Reading, understanding, writings and respondings as well. Right? So this was the comprehension. I hope you all are clear with it. You all found it very easy. Right? Now, we have an example over here, passage 1. So in this they are saying that study the passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. So as you can see, यहाँ पर हमें एक पैराग्राफ दिया गया है और इसके आगे कुछ questions हैं जो कि हमें आंसर करने हैं. राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे कि हमें बताया गया था, जल्दी से इस पैसेज को पढ़ लेते हैं. राइट? Chilies came from Mexico, where people started eating them as long as 9,000 years ago. It was only about 500 years ago that people from Spain and Portugal took them to other parts of the world. For a long time, people have tried to discover what made chilies taste so hot. Now they have found out what makes our mouth and tongues burn when we taste chilies. They have discovered something inside the chili which makes people think they are eating something hot and burning. Although people like the hot, burning feeling, animals do not. That's why animals will never eat chilies when they are out looking for food. Since animals do not eat them, people are now using chilies to control small animals that eat food growing on farms. Farmers used chilies to keep away large numbers of these animals from their farms. But birds are different. They love the taste of chilies. When they eat the chili fruit, they also eat the seeds. These seeds are dropped far away from the place where the birds have eaten them. So new chili plants grow far away from the mother plant. Thus, helps keep the chili plant alive. Right? So, we read the passage quickly. Now let's read the questions. Right? We are not going to answer them, just going to read them first of all. So just tick the correct option first of all. Chilies was first eaten by people in. The options are Spain, Portugal, Mexico, or other parts of the world. Right? Which of the following do not eat chilies? So people, animals, birds, yeah, all of those. We know the answer that animals don't like chilies. We just read in the passage, right? So let's mark it here very quickly. Next, by eating chilies, birds eat the fruit but leave the seeds behind, are helping to keep the chili plant alive. So it is option B, obviously, that they are helping to keep the chili plant alive, right? We have marked these answers because we read them and we remember them, correct? Now the questions are, how long have the people in Mexico been eating chilies? When did chilies arrive in other parts of the world? When people eat chilies, what feeling do they get? Why don't animals eat chilies? Which part of the chilies do birds drop far away? We all know the answer that the birds drop away the seeds of chilies. Right? Next, read the text carefully and find the answers. So यहाँ पर हमें टेक्स्ट पढ़ने के लिए बोला गया है और उसके बाद हमें आंसर ढूंढने हैं, राइट? फाइंड द नेम्स ऑफ द 3 कंट्रीज इन द टेक्स्ट. तो हमें 3 कंट्रीज के नाम ढूंढने हैं और इस स्पेस में लिखने हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट, फाइंड 2 वर्ड्स दैट फॉर द पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. अब 2 वर्ड्स ढूंढने हैं जो बॉडी पार्ट्स के लिए यूज किए गए हैं. नेक्स्ट, find a word in paragraph 3 which means places where people grow food and keep animals for food. तो ऐसा कौन सा वर्ड है पैसेज 3 में जिसमें हमें ये चीज समझाई गई है. So now let's read the passage again. Right? So it is, chilies came from Mexico where people started eating them as long as 9,000 years ago. So हमें एक question का answer मिला, right? It is, chilies came from Mexico where people started eating them as long as 9,000 years ago. So which question it was? सबसे पहले तो हमें 3 countries का नाम लिखना था जिसमें से एक हमें मिला, that is Mexico. Correct? And the next was that how long have people in Mexico been eating chilies? It was 9,000 years ago. Years ago. Correct? Now, next, let's read the passage again. It was about 500 years ago that people from Spain and Portugal took them to other parts of the world. Again, we found an answer. It was about only 500 years ago that people from Spain and Portugal took them to other parts of the world. Right? So, here we can write when did the chilies arrive in other parts of the world? So, it arrived 500 years ago. Correct? Next, when people eat chilies, what feeling do they get? Right? Now, let's read the passage again. For a long time, people have tried to discover what makes chilies taste so hot. Now they found what makes our mouths and tongues burn when we taste chilies. So it is mouths and tongue. We found one more answer. Where it was? Where we have to name the two parts of the body, right? It is mouth and tongue. Clear? Right? And we also got one answer over here, that for a long time people have tried to discover what makes chilies taste so hot. Right? So, it's the answer over here that when people eat chilies, what feeling do they get? Right? The hot and burning taste. Right? Why don't animals eat chilies? Right? So, we are left with this question. And also, we found over here Spain and Portugal. So, it is the answer for the last question. It is Spain and Portugal. Correct? Next. So, it is they have discovered something inside the chili what makes people think they are eating hot and burning. Although people like the hot and burning feeling, animals do not. Right? Because, so we got the answer over here. Why don't animals eat chilies? Right? So we can write because they are not fond of the hot and burning feeling. Correct? Now it is, although people like the hot and burning feeling, animals do not. That's why animals will never eat chilies when they're out looking for food. Since animals do not eat them, people are now using chilies to control animals that eat food growing on farms. Now we got the answer, farms over here. It was the answer for this word. Says find a word in the paragraph 3 which means a place where people grow food and keep animals for food. So it is farms. Correct? So in this way we have solved the passage, the comprehension, right? As you can see, there are a lot more examples for you all that are given over here. You can try to solve them by yourself, read them yourself and get even a better idea how you can solve these comprehensions, improve your reading skills, writing skills, thinking skills, right? So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed these things. So thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.